So Isma, yet again I want to congratulate you. By the way, Charlie blogger Munamwe, Lumbi, Aquati Charlie.
Tell Simon Nafe, our activist. Mama Devatwe become activist. Chovola to register in the Trabe, Gatufuna Babologa from activism. You see, in everything like love and hate.
Okay.
So I'm not be mistaken.
Katirumbi wa nomogera coach because someone by the way tukerede ku macho nakolwa lero kitegere kisentrumbi yakwatiddwako so wenjagala isimono abere coach ayogera ku nsonga ya lumbuye katini wadde oli abada kusombwa
nsonga ya lumbuye nti ye planning amweyembera activist si blogger that's why ta blogging ku bintu birala activist abera ku kintu kiki
kimu
politics kubika kutasi ye yazuse yafude yalabise
mwetegereze face
kati ebyo sije tulango fetuba ku health malaria tugenda ku bintu ebigenda social economic and political kati politics yagwa kala tuli mu social economic
kale tuanze Isma congratulations yet again.
Thank you.